We are very excited to introduce a new feature in UploadCam that will allow you to geo-fence folders. Let me show you how to do that. So I'm here in the team portal of UploadCam. I'm gonna go ahead and log in with my team admin account. So after I go through the login process, I will go to the folders tab right here. And as you can see, I already have some folders, some regular folders that you may already have as well. And the new feature, it will show up when you click here on new folder, okay? And let's say I have project that it's at a particular location. In my case, for my example, I'm gonna choose this address in Auburn Hills in Michigan. So I'm gonna paste it right here. It's at 3800 Hamlin Road, Auburn Hills in Michigan. And for now, my project, I'm just gonna call it like this, at 3800 Hamlin Road. And here's where the location will be set. So I'm gonna select a specific place in the map where that location is. So again, I'm gonna paste the address here, and then that brings me to the exact spot where my project is. Okay, so you can drag and drop to very specific places in the map. So I'll just leave it right there. And then I'm gonna confirm that is the place where my project is. So now I'm ready to create the folder. You can allow everybody to see this folder, or you can have specific users. In my case, I'm gonna choose a couple of users here. And then we have a folder that will be created, in my case, in Google Drive, but this works also for Dropbox and OneDrive. And the location, the specific location that will be associated to this folder. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and create the folder. And for the sake of, as an example, I will create a second folder with a different address. So I'm gonna go through the same process, new folder. This one is at a different place. So it's 6958 Rochester Road. And then I'm also going to select the location. Okay, so I'm gonna click here, and then this is where my project is. Okay, so then I'm gonna confirm. Then this folder will be associated to this address. This is the name of the folder. You can actually call it anything you want. Here, for me to make it easier, I'm calling it just the main, like the address. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and create this folder. Okay, so now I will have two different folders that have an address associated to them. Okay, so now let me show you how it looks on the mobile side. I'm gonna grab here my iPhone. And so I had here the older project, so I'm gonna just go and refresh this list. Okay, so when I open UploadCam, then it will show me the folders that I'm assigned to, so these ones here. And then let's say that I already arrived to this address, to the 3800 Hamlin Road. Okay, so say that I'm already there, and then I will open the camera. Okay, so now because I'm at that specific address, I mean the radius of that address, you can modify the radius that you want. It could go from like 50 meters to all the way to 600 meters or 600 yards. And if you're within that radius, then when you open the camera, you will see this new pop-up that it says nearby folder found. You've been automatically switched to a nearby folder. Okay, so this means I'm already ready to upload photos to this folder. So I'm gonna hit here the folder. As you can see in the top part of the screen, it tells me I'm already in that folder. So I'm here just taking a photo of my desk. So if I go ahead and take a couple photos of these, and then I look at the folders, right? And then I go to the activity for this folder. I should already see the two new photos that I just took. Okay, here's one, and likely the other one will show up in one moment. If I refresh here, let's see, maybe I just took, oh, there we go. So there's the second photo. So then both photos are already in the right folder. So this makes it easier, way easier to select a folder by location. Okay, and this photo is obviously also in my Google Drive folder that is associated to that address. So now let's say that I leave the app right here on my iPhone, and then I go to the other location, right, to the other location that we have created. So now we arrive to that location, and then we open the app, or we open the camera, and then boom, again, because we already changed location, it detected that we are at the new place, right, through the GPS, and then it'll automatically select that folder. Okay, so I don't have to do anything else. I can dismiss this, but I can already notice that the new folder is the other address. Okay, so then the new photo, let's just change a little bit the angle, and then here I take a couple photos of this mouse here, and then if I change, I go back to my folders here on the admin. This is the one that we selected. Again, we go to the activity, and the two photos will be there in the right folder. So this is great to be able to assign a specific GPS location to a folder, and then have that folder automatically selected as a destination of your photos. If there are multiple folders within the same radius, then the app will ask you which folder you want to select if both fall within the radius. I hope you find this useful. Let us know if you have any feedback, and until the next one.